The best of both worlds. The best of both worlds means to enjoy the advantages of two different situations at the same time without having to choose between them. Let's look at some example sentences. Our hotel was close to the beach and the city center, giving us the best of both worlds. Working from home 3 days a week gives me the best of both worlds. I can spend more time with my family while still collaborating with my colleagues. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. This berry chia seed pudding is completely healthy and nutritious, yet it tastes as sweet and satisfying as a rich treat. This berry chia seed pudding gives you the best of both worlds. It's completely healthy and nutritious, yet tastes as sweet and satisfying as a rich treat. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.